All right, we've already added the test, and now I'm going to show you how to add students. I've already added a couple students. I have Donald Duck and Dexter and the Perfect Son, but I'm going to add a few more. I'm going to put in here little Bo Peep. And if I had a student ID number, I would just put it there. Okay, save and create another. I'm just going to go ahead and cancel. So I'm just going to have a class of 4 students. And you can see by looking at here are the different tests that I had put in before. When I was off camera, I just added the identification skills. This is where I just kind of put the basic skills: uppercase sounds, lowercase sounds, number recognition, letter ID, and then sight words. These are the sight word lists that I created. However, your district might have a different set of words, so you can modify, copy test, and then modify the words so it can match you. I was going to show you one of the places that I hang out a lot is I look down here. These are the class reports, but when it comes time to testing, I look at this view untested students. So if I can look right here for sight words, it looks like I need to test everyone. But for identification skills, I've tested 1 student. So let me go ahead and look at Dexter, and I know that I need to still test his uppercase letters. So I'm going to run test. And then I'm just going to ask him, what's that letter? He's going to say R. What's that letter? W, T. Here he barks at me. So I'm just going to write here, barks, and hit no, and then yes, and no, and no, and no, and he knows that one, and no, no, no. I'm just going to zip through here. Okay, I'm done. He got 6 of those correct. Bless his little heart. And when I see here, I can see that he has 6 of those, which is great for a dog. So anyhow, so those are how I run the tests, which are fantastic. The thing that I kind of like seriously love is the test result letter. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. It says for the whole class. I'm going to go ahead and let's just see how this comes out for the whole class. There's Dexter. So this is what you can send home to parents. You can modify the letter to have it say what you want, but it shows you what they had correct and what they had incorrect. And this is a great thing that will help them work with their child at home. One more thing I want to show you is flashcards. I can instantly have flashcards that I can send home with the letter. So not only do I tell them what they can work on, but I give them flashcards. And then I would include activities you could do with those flashcards, not just drill and kill. So anyhow, you can just print those down, or you can download it as a PDF and email it to parents. One other thing I'm going to show you that's like super cool are groups. So as the year continues and you've had all of your students tested, you can also put them into groups. So I'm going to go ahead and add, and I'm going to call this group 1. And let's say I have little Bo Peep in there, and I have Dexter, which is awesome. And I'm just going to continue. When I look down here, I can see my group right there. And I can look at a bar graph analysis. Well, this isn't going to give me a lot because I just tested 1 student, but I can see quickly who knows F and who doesn't. So out of these letters that I'm showing here, this goes over, I can see who knows it. Oh, Dexter answered it correctly, and who doesn't know it. And little Bo Peep, bless her heart, has no idea. So this is super powerful when it comes time for me to make my small group instruction. When I'm picking letters that I want to work on, sounds I want to work on, sight words, numbers for math, I can really target my instruction for what that small group needs. I hope that makes sense to you. This group thing is amazingly powerful. All right, peace out.